Welcome to our video tutorial on how to get started with Mnemos using MetaMask Wallet. Follow along as we walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive in. First, head to the Google Play Store or App Store and download the MetaMask app. Once installed, open the app and click Get Started. If you don't have an existing MetaMask wallet, select Create a new wallet. Take a moment to read and agree to the reminders and terms and conditions. Create a strong password for your wallet. Remember, a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols works best. Tick the box to confirm and click Create Password. Now, it's time to secure your wallet. Follow the prompts to save your secret recovery phrase in a safe and accessible place. This phrase is crucial for account recovery, so treat it with utmost care. Carefully go through the steps to confirm your secret recovery phrase. This ensures that you have saved it correctly. Fantastic! You've successfully created your MetaMask account. Now, let's proceed to the next steps. Within MetaMask, make sure you're on the BNB Smart Chain network. If needed, add it as a custom network. Once you're on the BNB Smart Chain network, you can see that you have BNB displayed in the Tokens tab. To import the Mnemos token, click Import Tokens and select Custom Token. Copy and paste the Mnemos contract address from the description box into the token address field. Then, click Import. Great job! You should now see Mnemos listed in your token list. This means you're all set to receive, send, and even buy or sell Mnemos directly through MetaMask. Remember, explore the features of Mnemos, engage with our vibrant community, and enjoy the exciting possibilities. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you have any further questions, feel free to refer back to this video or reach out to our support team. Happy trading with Mnemos!